This is the start of a brand new series that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing the road from 0 to 20K. I wanna show you guys the real, like, perspective on everything, bro. Cause sure, you guys see videos, you guys see payouts, and you see a bunch of other shit, but you guys don't get to see the day-to-day of how we get to that 20K payout. So I'm gonna show you guys my day-to-day, trading-wise, out of trading, everything. I'm gonna see, I haven't decided how I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I'm gonna do like every single day or every few days or every week or whatever the case is. I don't know. Or maybe like milestones. So I'll like record until I hit a milestone and then like I'll keep posting. But we currently have 2 PAs, 2 50Ks. They're only a little bit above in profit, and then I have a couple evals that are about to be passed. I'll show you guys right now. 8 evals, 2 PAs. And this is combined worth, let's see, 900K. I think this is like around 900K in funding right there. But we only have 2 PAs right now. You can see we're basically up only $900. So, since we're only up $900, let's just say we have 19K more to go, okay? I wanted to do it from like 0-0, but I already have 2 PAs. I can't change that. But yeah, we're basically only $900 in profit. We need 19,000 more to go. So tomorrow will be day 1 of starting from 0 or 1,000, I guess. I forgot to put this in the video before, but I will be cataloging every single day. Well, besides the camera, but I'll be cataloging every single day inside this journal. It was gonna be my daily planner before, but I kind of do my daily planner online now. So we're gonna start on, well, Monday, we probably won't even trade, maybe an eval, like I said. But Tuesday is gonna be day 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that down right now. I'm gonna put 0 to 20K. 0 to 20K challenge day 1. Tuesday, May 27th. That is day 1. Let's see if we can do this shit in 3 weeks. Hopefully 3 weeks is more than enough. I've never gotten a 20K payout all at once. Never. So this will be the first time for you and for me. We're gonna go get a coffee right now. I woke up way earlier to set up alerts for London and Asia. So if either level gets hit like highs or lows, I get an alert on my phone. And I made it so it's like a webhook and it gets sent over to the Discord as well. So since I'm not touching anything until that happens, I'm gonna go and get some coffee and then I'll come back for pre-market and yeah, chill with the boys on Discord until we get our setup. I also bought a bunch of accounts yesterday because Apex dropped a 90% off code and I was like, fuck it, let's load up some accounts, and I wanted to get 150Ks and I was waiting for the 90% off for this exact reason, so had to load up. We got a vanilla cold brew with cream or vanilla sweet, vanilla sweet cream cold brew. That's what it is. Shit is fire. Yeah, gas. All right, we're waiting for our setup right now with the Discord. Everybody say what's up, say what's up.
Yo, what up? New cam,
yup. The boys on the cord. We got the setup cooking up right here. Calvin Harris playing. Just took entry on a trade right now.
Fresh one, dude.
So we went to London highs. We took a CISD entry right there, and we're currently waiting. We're gonna take it up to the BPR. If it holds above the BPR, then we'll take it to buy side liquidity level above. Trade number 1. Yo, hey. we had an entry, and then it just completely chopped. So I moved stops to break even, got stop break even, and then now we're just staring at this ugly ass chart. Honestly, it might have to be a PM type of day. Unless we have this inversion here, I might take that entry, but we'll see. And now we're gonna go hit the gym, then come back at 1 PM. If nothing pops up at 1 PM, then that'll be it. Today's day 2 of the road to 20K challenge. All right, boys, we took a trade, broke even. This is a trade right here. This is the trade we broke even. Fucking terrible. And then this is the chat right now. People are just tweaking. Yanni's, look at Pirulin. What's Pirulin doing?
Whoa.
We got FOMC at 2. We made 30 bucks.
No way that boy Haziz.
Honestly, this is day 2, and I know it's kind of a boring day 2, bro. Like, we broke even, and I'll show you guys like the the P&L on here, I guess. Here, let's go take a look. So this is the P&L here on TradeSyncer. These are the 3 Top Step accounts. They're like kind of shitty, but the PA account 35 bucks, the other PA account 37 bucks, and then all the evals are running. Look, this eval is like almost done. It needs 3K more. So does this one, and so does this one. And then the rest are just basically fresh. I bought these yesterday, or the day before yesterday. They're fresh. And I also missed my initial entry, which was right here. I'll show you guys. The initial entry I wanted was off this IFEG right here. Price dumped a little bit too much, and my stops were going to be way too fat, so I didn't want to take the trade, and I waited for a retracement. Then I got in down here off this 2-minute FEG tap. Here, I'll show you guys this 2-minute FEG tap, and we reacted nicely off it right there. We came down, we hit like 37 points. Then after taking out the internal low, I moved to break even. It hit break even, and then it just kept chopping and then dumped. But like, what can you do? What can you do? Nothing. You can't do nothing. One trade today, maybe PM, I don't know, because we also have FOMC today, so I might not trade that at all and might just wait for tomorrow. So today is day 3 of the challenge. We're currently, I guess you could say, like break even on the challenge so far, because we took a break even trade both days so far. We're on day 3. I just posted my pre-market analysis right now in the Discord. We tapped into a daily fair value gap, which is bearish, but we're also inside of a 4-hour bullish, and it looks like we could inverse the 1 hour that's above us. Whatever, we're basically in a spot where we could go either way, and it would be like a fat move either way. All right, boys, we're in a trade right now. We took 1 loss. Oh my fucking, of course I start vlogging and it goes to shit. But this is our entry right here, re-entry. I missed the initial one up there. Yanni caught that shit though. But we're in the middle of a trade right now. Let's see how it plays out. Hopefully we take out previous daily lows, which is the final target. We'll update you guys as we go. We ended up taking a loss today. The second trade we entered, we ran up like 22 points and then hit break even on that shit. Let me mute this because chat's talking right now. But yeah, we hit break even on that second trade, bro. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys my TradeSyncer right now. It looks pretty grits, honestly. So these are the accounts. My 2 PA accounts are right here, minus 200 and then minus 200. Not that bad of a loss. Less than 1 R loss. Day 3, first. Well, I guess kind of first L. The first day was like a break-even L, but this is the first L of the challenge. I missed my initial entry, so I'm really upset about that. I don't know why I didn't enter. I said I was gonna enter off a CISD, but I didn't take it. It was just like accumulating, and it felt like it could have just reverted there because what's it called? We were at Asia lows, and it could have been a sweep. So I honestly second guessed it. Shouldn't have second guessed it. Should have just trusted myself and taken my entry there. But yeah, 2 trades for the day. 1 L, 1 break even. So we're done for the day. Today is day 4 of the challenge. We're currently down on the challenge. It's day 4. We're down because of yesterday's loss. We took like a $200 loss, which is all right, but hopefully we're here to make it back today and some more. But I've been seeing, like, again, every time I take a trade, it'll hit to 30 points. And, well, not every time, but sometimes it'll hit to 30 points and then go and fucking break me even. So I've been thinking about, like, lowering my RR so I increase my win rate, just so I have a consistency, like a better consistency on this challenge. And my Apex, like, trailing down draw doesn't get cooked, because some accounts are like moving lower because every time I get the break even, the down draw, like a trailing down draw, gets moved lower, and that's kind of it might cook me. It might cook me, especially since the first day and second day were basically break even after like going up a lot and then came back down. Like, might cook me. I don't want to get cooked by that, so might have to change it up a bit. We took an L today and then we took a dub. Basically, fucking break, bro. This is gonna be like the 3rd fucking break even of the series here. The boys in the chat. Most people left because we finished trading, and now this is like, I guess you could say this is like the inner circle, like the chill boys. Everyone always in here doing the Wordle. Yanni's trying to get the Wordle. Everyone else got the Wordle.
Fuck.
But yeah, fuck.
Fuck, I'm trying to do it too right now.
And then, oh shit, this was a trade, by the way. This was a trade. I didn't even show it. This was a trade. We took an L here. And I kind of saw that coming with a clean ass
Yo, Jackson, how
V-shape IFVG, but whatever. Then this was a 2-minute IFVG. I took my entry there, and then bang, shot up, caught 47 points, trailed because I didn't want to have my Apex down draw fucked over because of the Tuesday and Wednesday when I hit break even and it dropped it down. Now I brought it back up, thank God. But yeah, that's it for the day. This week, slow ass start to this challenge. We're basically at the same spot that we started at. Hopefully next week is better. Alright, today was the last day of this week. Monday there was no trading. Tuesday and Wednesday we traded. We basically had break even. Thursday, which was day 3 yesterday, we took an L because I missed my entry. I hesitated to enter just because price action was looking a little bit weird. I didn't want to take the CISD. I said I was going to take it. I didn't take it. And it was perfect. It played out perfectly how I wanted it to. I just hesitated. So that's on me. To be honest, the 20K vlog here is getting me a little like nervous, I guess. But I just got to stick to my plan. Keep trading how I am. And yeah, this is for you guys to see like the real experience of doing something like this. I've never done the 20K payout like all at once. This is the first time I'm doing it, and I'm cataloging with you guys. So yeah, it's a little bit more added stress, but I understood that when I started this challenge. Today's Friday, day 4, and today we basically fucking broke even again. We took the L, we took the dub, and we trailed the stops up on the second trade, which is a dub. The L, shouldn't have taken it. I knew we were gonna fucking rip, bro. We had a perfect V-shape IFEG and retested the bottom of what was below Asia lows and what was the daily fair value gap. Then I took the long. Price went to shit. We had an SMT on the 5-minute where ES took the highs, NQ didn't. That's why I trailed my stops, and it was fine. I caught 47 points, and then the L was 20 points. Made back the loss and more. But yeah, we're down because of yesterday. So what we're down on the week is minus 200 per PA. So we're basically down 400 on that shit. But we are doing, we're doing okay. Could have done way better this week. I honestly should have ended this week green. But this is the truth. This is like the real shit. This is what goes on behind the scenes. Everything about it. I just want to be transparent with everyone. And this is the first video I'm dropping. I'm going to be doing every week like a check-in of this. It's a series. It's a weekly series. So if you guys are seeing this next week, or actually it should be done by Sunday, but I'm starting again on Monday, and then I'll be posting on Friday or Sunday, whatever, it's done editing and shit. But yeah, I hope you guys watch this series and follow along with me so you guys see the truth of trading, and it's not just like, oh, W every fucking day. Like, it's not like make $1 million every day. Like, there's wins, there's losses, there's times where you have a bad week, you have a midweek, a good week. It happens. It's trading. It's not, every week is not going to be a good week. That's what you have to understand when you're trading. It's hard to understand that. It's hard to understand that because you see so many people that are big influencers that are always winning, and sometimes they don't show losses. They do take losses. Everyone takes losses. Sometimes they don't show losses, so it makes it kind of unrealistic for everyone else that's starting to trade. That's why I wanted to make this. I wanted to show you guys a real-time thing where I show you my process, something that I've never done. I've never done 20K all in one go, so this is the real deal, guys. I'm cataloging everything here on this fucking journal. Day 4. But yeah, I knew the week red, basically. Small L doesn't really affect me. Could have been worse. Really could have been better. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated as the series goes. And yeah, just, bro, make sure to subscribe. Drop a little comment. Anything you want to drop advice or you want to ask questions, drop that in the comments. And yeah, subscribe if you want to continue seeing this series, because this is the first time I'm doing something like this. Also, I forgot to mention that some of the 150Ks are close to being passed. Hopefully I can pass those on Monday or Tuesday. Once we get those 150Ks passed, that'll be 3 150Ks added to the PAs. We have 2 PAs right now, 2 50Ks. The 150Ks will really add a big push into this challenge, which is what I need. And then we have a bunch of other accounts that are just trailing the back end. They're not too close, but they're moving. They're moving. And I have 2 top step 50Ks and a 150K on top step. Slow in progress. They're all above profit, but let's see how many we can get past by next week. And that's when the real challenge starts, because I can't tell you guys, oh, we made this PNL today and we're up this much on the challenge, because they're fucking evals. They are evals. We have 2 PAs. So again, transparency is key, guys. And I post on my Discord, like today I posted the P&L and I was like, yo, don't worry, like 2 accounts are PAs, the rest are evals. So, because it was like plus 900, plus 900, plus 900, but those are all evals. So yeah, 2 PAs. Hopefully next week we can get a lot of evals pass, and we're all good.